A force distance curve is a graphical representation that plots the force applied to an object against the distance that has displaced, essentially showing how the force of the press acting on an object changes as the press ram moves over a certain distance. For quality control purposes, the SCHMIDT PRC700 or PRC7000 controls software plots the force distance curve created by a press operation and then allows a user to create tolerances for this curve type. By doing this, the user is able to implement inspection elements as the assembly process is being done. The first step in this process is understanding the system's capabilities and how these tolerances function. In the force stroke curve screen, there are two types of tolerances: the stroke tolerance, designated as S-tol, and force tolerance, or window, designated as F-tol. A stroke tolerance verifies the force the press achieves between two distance points. A force tolerance ensures you are maintaining a predetermined force over a certain distance. The implementation of these tolerances allows you to input quality control measures, ensuring parts are good without additional part inspection. The SCHMIDT software allows you to create up to 12 tolerances per dataset on the force distance curve. These can be a combination of either stroke or force tolerances. The tolerances can monitor either the working stroke or forward motion of the ram, return stroke, or backward motion of the ram, or both. Tolerances can also be set as standard, so that you must correctly pass through, or inverted in cases where you never want to pass through the tolerance. For a part or press to be good, the force distance curve must pass correctly through, or never enter the defined tolerance, depending on how it is configured. Stroke tolerances verify that the curve passed through a tolerance bar, which is set between two force points and two position points. These are used to measure key features, such as part height, end of stroke reached, or maximum force not exceeded. Force tolerances are rectangular features that clearly define quality control parameters based on a combination of minimum to maximum distance and minimum to maximum force specifications. For a part or press to be good, the force distance curve must enter the left side of the force rectangle and exit the right side of the force rectangle without leaving the rectangle. These are used to ensure that a force is maintained over a distance of travel for inspection of things like interference fit or part cracking. Understanding the different types of tolerances and their functionality allows you to get the most out of your press and take full control of your quality control measures.